Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't uploaded in like a week. It's been like the most craziest and stressful week ever if you live in the US, so I've literally been glued to the TV, to the news for the last week. And a crazy week, but wow, this morning when I woke up, even yesterday when I woke up yesterday the results were announced and I just felt such a sense of relief. It's been like the most refreshing and relieving feeling that I have felt in a long time. So yesterday, it was also Ryan's birthday. We were celebrating. As a Latina, as a woman, I just feel like a weight has been lifted off my chest. Obviously, there's still so much to do in the world, in the US, but for at least for like today and yesterday, it's just such a sense of just like, you could finally breathe. How I'm feeling today. So I thought I would sit down and film my November Boxycharm because I'm actually really excited about this one. Yeah, let's just get into it. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is already, it is a monthly subscription box. It is $25 a month and you do get 5 full-size products every single month. So if you guys do want to sign up for Boxycharm yourself, I'll leave that link down below for you. It is an affiliate link, so I do get like a little tiny commission from it. If you don't want to, you guys can just go to boxycharm.com and sign up there. This month's box is themed harvest and it's just very like fall and it's kind of giving me like Thanksgiving vibes. Start off with the 2 products that are in here because I'm probably not going to use them on camera. The first one is from the brand Peach and Lily, which I actually have tried some stuff from them before and I do like them. This is the Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. This is what the little box looks like. Well, not little, but this is what the box looks like. Actual product looks like this. Retails for $28. Our cleansing properly can be the difference between healthy skin and problem-prone skin. This gentle, sulfate-free cleanser contains no harmful ingredients and keeps your skin barrier intact so you can start your routine right with skin that feels deeply cleansed, refreshed, and hydrated. Yeah, actually, I might use this one really quick. Actually, let me go do that really quick because I feel like this is pretty sometimes skincare products kind of scare me to try first on camera, but this one sounds pretty nice. It is a hydrating gel cleanser, so that should be pretty good for my skin. I do have dry skin, dry normal skin, so actually let me go try this and I will let you guys know my first initial thoughts, so be right back. Okay, so I just went ahead and cleansed my face really quick. My face does feel like nice and soft and it does feel clean. Hydrated though, I don't really feel like it's super hydrated. I don't feel like it stripped my skin too much though, like some gel cleansers. I don't feel like it's super hydrating either though, you know, but it is nice. It does feel like clean, so that's nice. I'm gonna just put on some moisturizer really quick. This is my Fenty Skin moisturizer because I do feel like I need some hydration. So if you guys can hear the wind outside, I'm so sorry. It's so windy. Like I literally feel like my house is gonna blow away. And this is the next product. This is from the brand, what is it? Yensa Beauty. This is the Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. This is what the box looks like. It's like this. It's like a clear, it definitely smells like pumpkin. That's kind of like what the texture is. It's kind of like a gel with some, it's, you know, like polishing masks have those like little scrubby particles in them. Yeah, it's definitely like scrubbish texture. One reason I didn't want to try this on camera is because a lot of times I am more sensitive to products that have like fruit or like any kind of like food kind of thing. I used to use a pumpkin enzyme product a long time ago, but I haven't used anything pumpkin since in like, I want to say it's been like 6 or 7 years since I've used that. So I didn't want to try it first on camera and I'd rather do like a patch test or something before I do. But if I do use it and I do like it, I will let you guys know. The next couple products that we're going to talk about are the ones that I'm most excited for. First thing we have the Almay Cosmetics Pero Primero primer. Love this primer. I actually already have it, so I'm just going to use the one that I have already so I don't have to like open a new one. But this is a full size, like this is the one I have already, this is the new one, and this retails for $15. So I love this eye primer. It's a really nice like sticky base, water and wear resistant, and enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits. It also works as a glitter glue mixed with your favorite concealer to customize the primer's shades. So I'm just taking like a little bit of my concealer just to like cover up the veins on my eyes. Taking some of the primer. It's this color, but like it says on the card, you can mix it with your concealer to change the shade of it. This one works pretty well for my skin tone. Since this is more of like a sticky base, you can definitely feel it So I like to tap it on. So now that I have my eyeshadow primer on, I'm going to go into this eyeshadow palette, and this is a Natasha Denona palette, and I'm so excited because I don't think I've tried any Natasha Denona eyeshadows before. This is in collab with Boxycharm. It's called Peak, and this is what it looks like. Such a pretty, like, everyday eyeshadow palette. I really like it. I feel like these are definitely tones that I will use all the time. It does retail for $48. I'm not sure if they're selling this like on its own as well, or if it's just like strictly in Boxycharm, but the colors in here are really pretty. So the only thing that kind of sucks is I think I read that not every single person was going to get this in their Boxycharm, so that's like kind of sucks, but I don't know why they would do that. But I think they said like 1 million subscribers would get it, so I think that's like a majority, but I'm not exactly sure. Oh my god, you guys, the wind. I feel like my house is gonna blow away. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off with that more like mauvier, peachy, pinky shade. I don't even know what color that is, but it does say it's a 5-pan palette including Natasha's essential everyday warm tone eyeshadow or eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one, composed of both creamy, matte, and metallic formulas from the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes. So I guess these are already existing shades. The names are Aya, Jasper, Thorn, Amhara, and Shine. So I guess if you have any of her palettes, you might recognize these colors. I'm not exactly sure. Like I said, I've never tried any of her eyeshadows before. So starting off with this shade right here, I'm just going to put that in my crease. I'm not sure like what to expect. I don't know. I hear so much like hype about Natasha Denona eyeshadows, so I'm just gonna pack this on. I feel like that started off really bad. I don't know why, but my eyes are really dry today, and I feel like that primer, it's not working with my eyes. I might take it off and work with my e.l.f. putty primer. I don't know. I just feel like my eyes are really, really dry, and I feel like that's affecting the eyeshadow, and I don't want to give it a bad review. I'm going to take this eyeshadow primer off, but I do like it, but I just think my eyes are a little too dry for it today. It's kind of like skipping around, so I'll be right back. We're back. That's a little bit better. Yeah, my eyelids are like super dry today, and sometimes that happens with the eyeshadow primer. I do like it, but since it is more sticky, if your eyes are a little bit dry, it does kind of like skip sometimes, so I just use my e.l.f. putty eye primer. Try that again. I'm going in with the same shade. Here we go. I was like, there's no way that that is the eyeshadow. I'm just going to use this as a transition shade. It's nice. It's pigmented. I don't know like what I'm expecting from Natasha Denona eyeshadows. You know, everybody like really talks them up, hypes them up a lot. They're really nice, and I mean, they're soft. They're blending nicely. I go in with that orangey shade, this one right here, and just kind of do the same thing. I'm taking it on another brush. I'm just starting on the outer corner. But that's a really pretty color. I like this color. Colors are nice. They're blending out really nicely. I get like why people like them because I feel like they're really easy to work with. I just personally don't know like if I would ever spend the money on a Natasha Denona palette unless it was like really, really like super, super different. I'm gonna take a more smaller brush and take the darker brown and focus this on the outer lash line and a little bit into this outer V over here. Now that I have those colors down, I'm going to go ahead and go into the shimmer in here. I'm going to take this on my finger first. Ooh, that feels really nice. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. Really pretty gold. I look for golds like this all the time because it's not super orangey or it's not super yellowy. It's like the perfect gold, so I really like this. And with a brush to kind of do a little bit more precise work over here towards the inner corner. Okay, so I went ahead and just did my foundation and the rest of my base just to save some time. So we're just going to go on to the lower lash line, and I'm just going to take that orange shade. Take this along. I'm going to go in with the brown and just put that on the outer part. That's pretty much it for the eyes. And then the last product we have, oh, by the way, there is a little coupon in the box for Natasha Denona. It says it's 25% off the Natasha Denona website, and the code is NDXBOXY. So if you guys want anything from Natasha Denona, 25% off. And the last thing in the box is the Milk Kush Waterproof Mascara. This retails for $24 and I actually do use this mascara. I have one right here in my drawer. And yeah, this is actually one of my favorite waterproof mascaras. I'm not a super huge waterproof mascara person, but with the last couple months, I definitely have needed waterproof mascara, and I do like this one. I do think it definitely works really well. I open that one right now since I have one open already. A couple things in this box I already had, so I am just going to put a little bit of mascara on. Yeah, I like this one more than the regular Kush mascara because I feel like the regular Kush mascara flakes off a lot, like probably more than any other mascara I've ever tried. That one literally, like, it's always underneath my under eyes. So this one I really do like because it doesn't do that. And I also feel like it's not super hard to get off either. So yeah, I do like this mascara a lot. So that's just the mascara. Here's my regular lashes. My lashes are like really light, so they never show up anyway. And you guys know I've been just doing mascara and a little half lash on the outer corner recently. I haven't really worn any full like strip lashes in a while. So I have been like leaning on like mascara to do most of the work recently, and yeah, you guys can see I do like it. I think my favorite mascara is still the Huda Beauty one, but when it comes to like waterproof mascara, I really do like the Milk one. Guys, so I just finished the rest of my makeup. For my lips, I'm wearing the KVD Vegan Beauty Lolita 2 lipstick. I forgot how much I liked this lipstick. Oh my god, I used to wear this one literally all the time. Like, I would like only wear this lipstick, and now I remember why. It's so pretty. Yeah, so this box actually was really good. I really liked everything in the box. Let me add everything up so you guys can know what the value was. So this one's box was worth $160. Not bad at all. So the Natasha Denona palette, I do like it. I think they're really nice and soft and easy to work with. I think the shadow's really pretty, and especially that lid color, I really did like it. I don't know, like I was thinking about this when I first saw that this was going to be in the box, but I was wondering if this is like their same formula as their other palettes and stuff. I've never tried anything else, but for those of you that have tried their Natasha Denona palettes and stuff, let me know if you got this in your box and if it's the same formula, because I'm just interested. I'm curious. But yeah, I like the shadows. I'll definitely get use out of it. I don't understand like why her palettes are so expensive. I don't understand. That's why I'm wondering, like, is this the same formula? Because like this kind of just seems like any other eyeshadow formula like that, like works well, you know? If you think about it, like this little 5-pan palette is almost $50, and like it just sounds so expensive. But then again, I'm like a really big cheapskate, so, but I mean, I like it. I'll definitely get use out of it. I think it's really pretty, and I really love that lid shade. This, I just feel like it kind of is like any other eyeshadow formula. I don't know. Let me know if you guys feel the same way, because I don't really understand. Other than that, the Almay Cosmetics primer, I do like that primer, even though I didn't end up using it for today. I just think that my eyes were a little too dry for that today. So, but if you do like a nice like sticky eyeshadow primer, that one is a really good one. So the mascara, I love that mascara, so I was really happy to have another one in the box. Cleanser, I'll probably use it. I do like it. I didn't think it was like super hydrating, but it also didn't like strip my skin or anything like that either, so it was nice. And the little like pumpkin polish thing, I'll definitely let you guys know if I try it out and I like it, but like I said, I just want to try like a little patch test first, because my skin is a little bit more sensitive to things like that. So I feel like this one's box was really good, and like, I mean, I'm really happy to have a Natasha Denona palette. Glad it was in the box, because now I have one and I feel like included. Like the eyeshadows, I think they performed really well. I don't know, like me personally, I just feel like it's kind of expensive, but you know, obviously it's in the box, you're not paying that much. You're getting it in the box, which is like half the price of the palette anyway. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys got in your box. Did you guys get the same thing? Did you guys get the palette? I'm curious. Leave me a comment. I want to hear your guys' thoughts and what you guys got in your box. So anyways, I hope that you guys have a good rest of your week, and I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.